These AI plant trimming videos are exploding across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram right now, and I genuinely believe this is going to be the next viral AI trend. The best part? I created this video in less than 2 minutes using completely free AI tools. Let me show you exactly how. First, you'll need this prompt, which you'll find linked in the description below. Copy the prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 unique AI plant trimming video ideas for you. Choose the idea you like best, then simply type its corresponding number and press enter again. ChatGPT will instantly generate a detailed master prompt with all the settings you'll need. Now copy the master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Switch to video mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, select Omni Flash as the video model, and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything is ready, paste the master prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. In just a few moments, Google Flow AI will create your stunning AI plant trimming video. And just like that, your video is ready. The best part is that you can create unlimited variations by simply choosing different ideas from the prompt, giving you an endless supply of unique viral videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to Reavron for more free AI tutorials and the latest viral AI niches. I'll see you in the next video.